Hello community! Yes, it is another YouTube tutorial on how to do a YouTube video in computer science. Now, why do I do this? Because in my last video on the top 5 YouTube videos, if you want to learn self-attention within the transformer model network, I watched 72 videos and I can tell you 50 of those videos were more or less the same. So I decided it's time to move on because you can't expect things to stay the same. So here we go. My first insider is your audience has expectations. And if you're exactly like everybody else, hey, what is your point? So you either surpass the expectations of your audience or you break them. You shatter the expectations and you become different. Because if you have 72 videos on one specific mathematical topic, well, 50 are identical. So, next point. Your audience has emotions. As a theoretical physicist, you might say, well, are you sure? And I can positively enforce you, yes. Your audience will have positive moods, negative moods. They write comments. You have to be there. You have to understand that they have a good day, a bad day. You have to be professional, 100%. Second point. None of your audience, and believe me, I checked it personally in my channel, is a Stanford professor for algebraic topology, mathematics. So you do not have to, try to be whatever you are not. You have to really think about the level of your audience, what you want to achieve with your specific video. And then there's some point, I'm so sorry, but I have to tell you, some millennials think education should be fun and entertaining. Yippee! And you know what? They are maybe right. Amazing. Because yesterday I was at the homepage of Stanford University and look at this. Fun, happy, nice, gorgeous. When I visited Stanford, it was completely different. I mean, not only the homepage, but this is another topic. So let's go on. Okay, this is unfair to put this here, that your audience smells not authentic comments. Yes, I know, I am jealous that now Stanford is such a beautiful and happy place. Let's go on. Your audience has a voice. You might think that they only click with a forefinger, but no. It is your job, it is my job to provide on my channel a place, an ecosystem where they can leave a comment to my videos, where I can have questions, where you can interrogate me. This is on my responsibility. So I have to create opportunities that they can voice their comments. Next part. It is amazing, and I completely ignored this, but your audience can become a community. And it is up to me to provide them with the opportunity. At first, treat everybody with respect and dignity. You know the wording, there are no stupid questions, but you know the reality. But you have to think about, some of them are experienced, some of them are just learning. And it is up to me, maybe it is up to you, to be there for them. Because at the end, the only question is, how fast can they learn when they watch your videos, when they watch my videos? And this is my benchmark. How fast can they learn when I present knowledge to them? Next point. Here we go. Your audience, unfortunately, and I'm so sorry to tell you this, loves consistency. So here you have an example. This is one of my preferred YouTuber in the topic of coding artificial intelligence. And as you can see in this 52 long video, he's presenting something for you, and then he's crossing it out and say, no, forget about this. And look, now I give you here another example. Let's see here. Now we change the notation. It's not about the word thinking and machine, where we try to create a word embedding, a semantic connected word embedding with transformer architecture. Now think about now another example, and now in this other example, so then we go back to this example, and I know, I make the same mistake. I'm guilty. Stay with your notation. Second point, no alternative explanation. You have prepared an example. I have to stay with my prepared examples. I know, There is another view from algebraic topology, or from a geometric point of view, or for a pure abstract point of view. Or if you say, hey, I have invented a new mathematical proof to something, nobody is interested. If they want to learn, stay clear, stay simple, and focus on the level of knowledge diffusion you want to provide to your viewers. Don't jump around. Be strategic, be clear in your wording. Next point. Your audience is friendly. Yes, absolutely true. So why should I be otherwise? Think about this. Next point. Your audience will challenge you. They will test you. You will get remarks like, hey, professor, when I reconfigure this specific system, wouldn't I be much faster than whatever you present to us, Because I can calculate the probability densities with this algorithm, so I'm better, I'm beautiful. Yes. What a challenge. What a challenge for you and your viewers. You give them an opportunity that they come up with their own ideas, with their own code, and this is gorgeous. This is exactly what you want to ignite. Now, you have to be able within minutes and seconds to analyze their system, and they are sometimes genius. They are really clever, and you have to help them to become better. So whatever you present, be prepared, you get questions, be prepared, you get answers at first second, the first milliseconds, I don't understand it, but then you see the potential, and then you have to answer accordingly. This is a real challenge. Next point. This is very general, but it is so true. Your audience wants to learn, but hell, otherwise, why would they watch your videos? So it is my responsibility, maybe it is your responsibility, to provide them with the best way to present knowledge, to transfer knowledge. And it is up to me to meet the standards. Now, last slide. Your audience will judge you if you improve. I can see this in my channel. They will challenge you, and this is good. This is a beautiful benchmark for myself. If I'm authentic, if I'm open-minded, even if we advance in more advanced topics. And then, the absolute golden rule, just 3 bullet points. And why I have 4? Because this didactics remark is about the tactical component, and the master plan is about the strategic component. So whenever you present something, be authentic, be open-minded, have a short and a long-term master plan in your head. And I would say this is it for today. But having a long-term master plan, you might challenge me already and say, okay, and the next video? Yes, we stay on topic. It is about the strategic positioning. If you present a YouTube video in computer science, in CS, how do you position yourself against your competitor? And what is the marketplace you act on? And this is the very first slide of my next video. This is just a preview, a teaser that you say, okay, I have about 1,000 YouTubers on computer science. What other objects are there? What other competitors I have with their own YouTube channels? How do I position myself strategically? And maybe I miss out on complete different market players. So this was the preview for the next video. I say thank you, and I see you in the next video.